Freedom should not be something you have to deserve. It's something you just naturally have. Something that no one can take away from you. Let's celebrate freedom. Happy Independence Day and good morning, everyone. Whoever will call on the name of the Lord will be saved. Prayer by Devapriya.
ॐ असतो मा सद्गमया तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमया मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमया लोगा समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति। तुम्हें हो माता पिता, तुम्हें हो बंधु सखा, तुम्हें हो माता पिता, तुम्हें हो बंधु सखा, तुम्हें हो सारे, तुम्हें सहारे, कोई न अपना सेवा तुम्हारे, तुम्हें हो नैया, तुम्हें खिवैया, तुम्हें हो बंधु सखा, तुम्हें हो माता पिता, तुम्हें हो बंधु सखा, तुम्हें हो जुगल सखे न बेपूल न हमने तुम्हारे चरणों के धूल न हमने, दया की दृष्टि सदा ही रखना, तुम्हें हो बंधु सखा, तुम्हें हो माता पिता, तुम्हें हो बंधु सखा, तुम्हें हो अडिग ही रहना, असल ही रहना, जहाँ से अपने जगह बनाना, निडर ही रहना, तुम्हें सिखाना, तुम्हें हो बंधु सखा, तुम्हें हो माता पिता, तुम्हें हो बंधु सखा, तुम्हें हो।
Let's take the oath of our country. Pledge reading by Brinda Madhu.
India is my country, and all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country, and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies in my happiness. Jai Hind.
Good thoughts make a person happy. Thought for the day by Ashwati.
Good morning. Thought for the day. We gain freedom when we have paid the full price. We gain freedom when we have gained the full price. Thank you.
A small description about Independence Day by Athena Anil.
Good morning. Today we are proudly here to celebrate our Independence Day. Independence Day is the most significant day in the history of India because it reminds us about the bravery and the struggle of our freedom fighters. Long back, 15th August 1947, we achieved our freedom. So every year, August 15, we are celebrating as our Independence Day. This day is considered as a national holiday. All over the country celebrate Independence Day with the flag hosting and also with a lot of cultural events. There is a big celebration each year in New Delhi at Red Fort where the national anthem is sung. After the Prime Minister hosts the flag, lot of cultural event, flower shedding and also the Indian Defence Service conduct parade on this day. 15th August is not only about freedom, it reminds us about the pain of being enslaved, the strength of unity, and it also defines the sacrifice. It is our responsibility as proud citizens of our country to sincerely perform our duty and progress together for the growth and development of our country. On this day, we should take an oath that we will always with our motherland till our last breath. Once more, wishing a happy Independence Day.
Now, I welcome our dear class teacher Sheeja ma'am to address us with her valuable message.
Good morning, everyone. Today, we all are here to acknowledge our privilege of being born in India. We all feel really proud to be an Indian. Today, we are celebrating our 75th Independence Day of our country. We are celebrating Independence Day as one of our national festivals. Independence Day is observed throughout India with flag hoisting ceremonies, parades, and a lot of cultural events. There is a big celebration each year in New Delhi at Rajpath, where the national anthem is sung after the Prime Minister hoists the flag. 15th August is not only about freedom, it reminds us the pain of being enslaved, the strength of unity. On this day, we should take an oath that we will always with our motherland till our last breath. Once more, wishing a very happy Independence Day. Jai Hind. Thank you.
I would like to invite our respected principal Smita ma'am to address us with her valuable messages and thoughts.
Good morning to all. A respected father, sir, teachers, dear students and parents. Today we are celebrating 75th Independence Day. First of all, on behalf of MGM family, I would like to wish all of you a happy Independence Day. As we all know that Independence Day is an auspicious occasion for all of us. It is the day when we got freedom from British rule after many years of hard struggle by the freedom fighters of India. Thousands of brave hearts sacrificed their lives for the freedom of India. Because of their sacrifice, we are living happy in today's society. In this auspicious occasion, I would like to share one of the famous words of Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhiji once said, "The future depends on what we do in the present. We have utilized today for better tomorrow." Dear students, I also want to share same message to you. Your future also depends on what you are doing today. Now you have freedom to utilize a lot of electronic devices such as computer, mobile phone, laptop, etc. for your studies. In this pandemic situation, these devices are unavoidable part of your studies. Your future depends on how to utilize these devices now. Dear students, in this beautiful day, it is my humble request to you. You have to utilize these devices for your better future. Don't misuse it. ഇത്രയും പാൻഡമിക്കിൻ്റെ ഡിഫിക്കൽട്ട് സിറ്റുവേഷനിൽ നിങ്ങളുടെ പേരൻസ് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് വേണ്ടി എല്ലാ ഹെൽപ്പും ചെയ്തു തരുന്നുണ്ട്. ടീച്ചേഴ്സും നിങ്ങളോടൊപ്പം എപ്പോഴുമുണ്ട്. നിങ്ങൾ ഓരോരുത്തരും നന്നായി പഠിച്ച് നല്ല പൗരന്മാരായി കുടുംബത്തിനും രാജ്യത്തിനും അഭിമാനികളായിത്തീരും. അങ്ങനെ ആയിത്തീരാൻ ദൈവം തമ്പുരാൻ നിങ്ങളെ അനുഗ്രഹിക്കട്ടെ എന്ന് ഈ നല്ലൊരു ദിനത്തിൽ ഞാൻ ആത്മാർത്ഥമായി ആശംസിക്കുകയും പ്രാർത്ഥിക്കുകയും ചെയ്യും. എല്ലാവർക്കും ഒരിക്കൽ കൂടി നല്ലൊരു ദിനം ആശംസിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് ഞാൻ എൻ്റെ വാക്കുകൾ നിർത്തുന്നു. താങ്ക് യു ഓൾ.
Now it's activity time.
वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ए वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, हे वतन मेरे वतन, हे वतन मेरे वतन। तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से,
ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से,
पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू,
पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू,
वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, हे वतन मेरे वतन,
हे वतन मेरे वतन।
I welcome Anaka for her wonderful speech.
Good morning. My heartfelt wishes for the 74th Independence Day. Probably here there is hardly anyone who wake up on the midnight of 15th August 1947 to hear India striced with destiny. We are born in an independent country and hence probably understand very little about itself of being governed by a foreign power. However, wherever we are away from the country, we observe that non-resident Indians celebrating Independence Day with more vigor than people celebrate in the country itself. Probably it is the feeling of an identity as Indians which is behind such emotions. The identity of being an independent country where sovereign power of deciding our destiny resides with us brings about a huge responsibility on our shoulders. We, particularly the elite who are this campus, have got double the responsibility compared to a common man to dedicate our services and life to the progress of the nation. As we all know, today's generation are the future promises of our country. The nation, although concentrated with resources, did spend such a huge amount of common man's money, only to accept that such institutions will contribute for the progress of the nation, for which the people of this country will be benefited. Hence, before we point finger of anyone for the problems which the country faces, let us not forget that wherever we point finger at anyone, three more than at the same head point towards ourselves. Taking steps for can be making an institution great, dedicated to the service of the nation. We all have personal agenda of processing in our career, but let us do it without getting our responsibilities towards the nation. The world today is looking at this nation. The uniqueness of India's great story is that this nation is achieving respect of the world, taking as democratic path. By saying this, I'm concluding my words and wishing you all a happy Independence Day. Thank you and have a nice day.
A small description about Independence Day by Adarsh.
Celebrate Independence Day every year on 15 August as a national holiday in India to commemorate the independence of the nation from the United Kingdom on 15 August 1947. This was the day on which the provisions of the Indian Independence Act of 1947 came into effect, which transfers legislative sovereignty to the Indian Constituent Assembly. Independence corresponded with India's partition, wherein British India has been divided into the dominions of India and Pakistan along religious lines. Thank you.
Now, I welcome Krishna for a wonderful speech.
Respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends, I am very happy to have the opportunity to express my thoughts on this auspicious occasion of Independence Day. This is our 75th Independence Day celebration. Yes, 75 years ago, we got independence from the British. The story of our freedom struggle is very big, which cannot be described in one day. Independence Day is very important for every Indian. 75 years ago, the British ruled India. They came to India on the pretext of trade and gradually took everything under their control and made us their slaves. Then, on August 15, 1947, India became independent after many agitation and battle. Many heroes sacrificed their lives to get freedom for India. Due to the brave values of our country, we have been independent today, and today we celebrate this day to pay tribute to those brave values. Independence Day is one of the national festivals of India. Now I am going to end my speech with this verse. Thank you so much.
Freedom in the mind, faith in the words, pride in our souls. Let's salute the nation. Now I call upon Shibin and Sharon for patriotic song.
तलवारों में सरवार दिए, अंगारों में जिस्म जलाया है, तब जाके कदीम हमें सर पे ये केसरी रंग सजाया है। ए मेरी ज़मीन महसूस नहीं जो तेरे लिए दर्द सहे, महफूज रहे तेरी याद सदा कर मेरी यकीन रहे। मेरी ज़मीन महबूब मेरी मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे, एक आना पड़े भले अंग तेरा मजनून निकले खून पड़े। तेरी मिट्टी में दिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
A small description about Independence Day by Nived.
Good morning. First of all, I would like to wish you a very happy Independence Day. We celebrate Independence Day as a national festival of India. The India marks the anniversary of national independence from the British Empire on 15th August 1947. Furthermore, it is the most auspicious day for the people of India because the India became independent after lots of hardships and sacrifices of the brave Indian freedom fighters. From that day onwards, 15th August became a very important day in the Indian history and in the hearts of every Indian. Also, the entire nation celebrates this day with full spirit in patriotism. After the independence, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was chosen as the first Prime Minister of India. He unfurled our tricolour flag at Red Fort in the national capital, New Delhi, for the first time. From there onwards, every year we celebrate Independence Day at Red Fort, New Delhi. The army performs many tasks that also include a march past cultural programs by school students. We celebrate Independence Day to remember the lives that we sacrificed to gain this freedom. As they are the one who struggle for our country. Furthermore, on his day we forget our differences and units as one true nation should.
Now, I welcome Aditya for playing guitar. A small description about Independence Day by Abel Reggie.
Respected father, principal, teacher, and all my dear friends, good morning, all of you. Myself, Abel Reggie from class 10. As we all knew, today, in the Independence Day, I am here to speak about the Independence Day celebration and a proud moment for our country. We all knew that India got independence on 15th August 1947. From 1947, every year we celebrate it. Independence means freedom. In earth, every living thing wants freedom. Our freedom fighters get lots of struggles and also died in the fight to get freedom from the British rule. Before 1947, India, country ruled by the British government. In India, every religion's people fight against the Englishman. Now everyone happy life enjoying. This year, COVID-19 is breaking on the whole world. A lot of people around the world has lost their living to this pandemic. Also, a lot of people are still struggling to keep up with this world, and India too. We should also not forget our brave healthcare workers, police, personnel who are fighting with the unseen enemy from the past 1 year. Hence, this Independence Day, we should pledge to protect ourselves and our country from this deadly virus and make India free like it was freedom from the British rule back in the year 1947. Today's speech is over. Thank you and have a nice day.
Now, I welcome Irene for a speech.
Today, I am going to say a few words about Independence Day. India became independent on 15th of August 1947. We celebrate Independence Day on 15th August every year throughout India. Independence Day celebration is conducted in every city or in town, country. The Prime Minister of India hosts the national flag. He does a patriotic speech. Lakhs of people come at Red Fort to celebrate Independence Day. All government buildings are decorated at night with electric bulbs. Independence Day is also celebrated in many foreign countries. The celebration of Independence Day makes all people of the country loyal to their country and feel proud about their country. All Indian people take oath on Independence Day to defend their country even by laying down their lives for it if required. Thank you.
Here we have Navneet with a presentation for our Olympics heroes.
Good morning everybody. Happy Independence Day. Here I am present on the photos of our Olympic heroes of Tokyo 2020. We are proud of their great achievements for our country. Thank you and have a nice day. Jai Hind.
Now, I call upon Akash and Alan for patriotic song.
Vande Mataram Sujalam Sufalam Malayaja Sheetalam Sasya Shamalam Mataram Vande Mataram പ്രജ്യോത്സ്ന പുളകിതയാമിനി പുല്ലകുസുമിത ധ്രുവദല ശോഭിനി സുഹാസിനി സുമധുരഭാഷിണി സുഗദാം വരദാം മാതരം വന്ദേ മാതരം.
I welcome Sona for a wonderful speech. Good morning. First of all, I wish you a very happy Independence Day. Today we celebrate our 74th Independence Day of our country. India got independence on 15th August 1947 from British who ruled our country around 200 years. Our great freedom fighters like Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose devoted their life for the independence of our country. After independence, we got all our fundamental rights and right to choose our government. We must contribute for the development of our country, so no country could imagine to rule us again. We should work hard for the development of our country and let us do our best to make our country best in the world. Thank you. Independence Day celebration is undoubtedly incomplete without the national anthem. So, for national anthem, I would like to invite Angela.
National anthem. जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलति तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जाहे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.